Welcome to the Story Bakery. Today is a very special episode coming to you from the kitchen because of this lovely lady right here. This is my grandma Leilani, and we are taking her Shoyu chicken marinade and we are going to put it on some beef short ribs. I did this yesterday, put them on, so I'm going to show you how to make this delicious marinade. It has, of course, made me the envy of my brothers and sisters because I'm the one that got the recipes passed down to. All right, so I am so excited to make this. Not only was she a beautiful woman, beautiful person, but man, could she cook. So we're going to take it and we're going to make it some beef short ribs, and we're going to fry them up on the flat top and serve them with some ramen for the kids. I'm glad you're here. Thanks for being here, and let's get to cooking. All right, first thing we do, grab ginger, cut off an inch of it, peel it, cut it in half, and grate it up, then throw it in your marinade bag. And oops, make sure you got a good grip on those marinade bags. They can get away from you real quick. Next, grab 6 to 8 cloves of garlic and then give it your best Hulk smash. All right, and then once that's all broken up, peel the papery skin off and then give it a nice fine dice so you don't have any big chunks of garlic. Next, grab 6 to 8 bunches of green onions, dice them up nice and fine, and then throw those in your marinade bag as well. Next, grab a cup of soy sauce. I'm using Tamari Sauce. Wanted to make sure this was a keto recipe, so wanted it to be completely gluten-free. Also, grab a keto-friendly sweetener for this recipe. So I'm using Monkfruit Sweetener. The original recipe called for sugar. And then you're going to give that a good mixing, just like this. Shake, 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 shake. All right, next, grab your short ribs, and you're just going to throw them in the bag. And we're going to seal them up, squeeze all the air out, and let them marinate for at least 24 hours. That's how you're really going to get a lot of delicious flavor packed into these beef ribs. "24 hours later, preheat your flat top to 400 degrees and get to frying. About 5 minutes on each side, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Caramelized, crispy, perfectly medium rare beef ribs that just melt in your mouth. Can't wait to try them. All right, and we're back. So as you can see, a couple different ways to serve it. Super simple, easy to make. You can slice it up, serve it on top of ramen with a delicious, soft-boiled egg, or I have mine served on top of cauliflower rice. It's your choice, but either way, this rib is going to be one of the best ribs you've ever eaten. That's really good. Grandma Leilani.
That's my father.
May you rest in peace. Your food is delicious forever and always. All right.